Right to life. The right to life is the foundation of all human rights. Without it, no other right can exist. This right means that every human being has the inherent right to live and should be protected from actions that could unjustly take their life. Governments are expected to create laws and systems that safeguard life, prevent violence, and ensure safety. It also extends to protection from war crimes, unlawful killings, and extreme negligence. In simple terms, your life has value, and no one has the right to take it away unjustly. Right to freedom and liberty. This right ensures that no one can be arbitrarily arrested, detained, or enslaved. It protects individuals from being locked up without a valid legal reason or held against their will. It also guarantees freedom from slavery and human trafficking. Liberty means you have control over your own movement and choices as long as you respect the law. This right is essential for personal independence and protects people of abuse of power by authorities. Right to equality before the law. Equality before the law means that every individual, regardless of their status, is treated the same in the eyes of the legal system. Whether rich or poor, powerful or ordinary, everyone deserves equal justice. This right prevents favoritism, corruption, and discrimination in courts and legal processes. It ensures fairness, meaning no one is above the law and no one is beneath its protection. Right to freedom from discrimination. This right protects individuals from being treated unfairly because of their race, gender, religion, ethnicity, or any other personal characteristic. It promotes inclusivity and equal opportunity for all. Discrimination can limit access to jobs, education, or justice, and this right seeks to eliminate such barriers. It reminds us that diversity should be respected, not punished. Right to privacy. The right to privacy ensures that your personal life, home, family, and communications are protected from unnecessary intrusion. This includes protection from unlawful surveillance, invasion of personal space, or misuse of personal information. In a modern world driven by technology, this right is more important than ever, as it safeguards your identity and personal dignity. Right to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. Every individual has the freedom to think, believe, and practice any religion or none at all. This right allows people to follow their conscience without fear of punishment or persecution. It also includes the freedom to change one's beliefs. In essence, your mind and your beliefs belong to you alone. Right to freedom of expression. Freedom of expression allows individuals to speak, write, and share ideas openly without fear of censorship or punishment. It is essential for creativity, progress, and democracy. However, this right also comes with responsibility, as it should not be used to spread harm or violence. It gives people a voice and the power to challenge injustice. Right to peaceful assembly and association. This right gives people the ability to gather peacefully, protest, and form groups or organizations. Whether it's a protest, a union, or a social movement, individuals can come together to express shared interests. It plays a crucial role in activism and social change, allowing people to stand together for causes they believe in. Right to participate in government. Every person has the right to take part in the governance of their country, either directly or through elected representatives. This includes the right to vote and to run for public office. It ensures that power comes from the people and that leaders are held accountable. Democracy thrives when citizens actively participate. Right to work and fair wages. This right ensures that everyone has the opportunity to work and earn a fair income. It protects individuals from exploitation, unfair pay, and unsafe working conditions. It also promotes equal pay for equal work. Work is not just about survival, it is about dignity and the ability to provide for oneself and one's family. Right to education. Education is a powerful tool that opens doors to opportunity and growth. This right guarantees access to learning, especially at the basic level, for all individuals. Education empowers people with knowledge, skills, and the ability to make informed decisions. It is one of the strongest foundations for building a better future. Right to health and well-being. This right ensures access to healthcare and a standard of living that supports physical and mental health. It includes access to food, clean water, shelter, and medical services. A healthy population is essential for a thriving society, and this right emphasizes that no one should be denied care due to their circumstances. Right to property. Everyone has the right to own property alone or with others and should not be arbitrarily deprived of it. This includes land, belongings, and assets. Property rights provide security and encourage individuals to invest in their future. It protects people from unjust seizure of what they legally own. Right to seek asylum. This right allows individuals to flee their country and seek protection in another if they face persecution, war, or danger. It is a lifeline for refugees escaping violence or oppression. It reflects the global responsibility to protect human life beyond borders. Right to nationality. Every person has the right to belong to a nation. Nationality provides identity, legal recognition, and access to rights and services. Without it, individuals may become stateless, lacking protection and basic opportunities. This right ensures that everyone has a place to call home in a legal sense. Right to freedom from torture and inhumane treatment. No one should be subjected to torture, cruel punishment, or degrading treatment under any circumstances. This right protects human dignity even in situations of conflict or imprisonment. It establishes that cruelty is never justified. Right to a fair trial. Justice must be fair, transparent, and unbiased. This right ensures that anyone accused of a crime has access to a proper legal process, including a defense and a public hearing. It prevents wrongful punishment and abuse of the legal system. Right to family life. This right recognizes the family as a fundamental unit of society. It includes the right to marry, start a family, and maintain family relationships without interference. It also protects children and promotes stable, supportive environments. Right to Social Security. Social Security provides support during times of hardship, such as unemployment, illness, or disability. This right ensures that people are not left completely vulnerable in difficult times. It reflects the idea that society should care for its members. Right to rest and leisure. Human beings are not machines. This right guarantees reasonable working hours, paid leave, and time to rest. It promotes balance, mental health, and overall well-being. Rest is not a luxury. It is a necessity for a healthy life.